Mark up, say order.
Order!
So here is the scene. The Shram. What you just doing as SMS Marketing Limited?
Well, we opening the lights, putting the screen, they try it on LED. We doing all the basic things, customizing lights, looking real different. We come out to the showroom, they're looking like crips.
All you hear what the man saying, all you listening. Tell me something. You could do this kind of thing here?
What I was born to do?
Look, how your day does be on a daily basis?
It's like a lineman. You're a lineman, you're working, you're enjoying what you do because you love what you do the best, right? Because at the end of the day, you're not about the money making, it's a hobby and it's something that you like and you like to put out it to show what talent you have. That's about it.
Yeah, but I get shocked.
Well, that's about that. That's the wake up the heart.
Alright, so talk the truth. If Sean see this doing good thing, right? He does take a little thing when you on work sometimes, or?
Nah, my boss man real cook, I never say about it. He go call the boys and we finish work, we lime, we cook, we eat and that's it. We enjoy ourselves. Yeah, the week. And that boss man to have. You can never say no to that boss.
Why Sean cool? And he bring doctor there too.
Exactly, so we duck it right through from work all day.
We duck it.